Hi everybody, it's Bill from XcentricK. We're looking at our 66 Mustang Coupe today. It's next in line to go into the the paint shop, for getting all the jam work done. And when we talk about jam, what we're going to do is we're going to be doing behind the scenes paint work to bring this thing back to the metallic cherry rose color that it would have come from the factory originally as. When we received the car, it was actually yellow, but we're going to go back to, with the customer's expectations and hopes, go back to that rose metallic color that it came from the factory. We searched out the VIN numbers, and that's what it told us that the car originally was. So this isn't a frame off or a full 100% restoration. This is getting it back to a point where it's a beautiful driver for the street. It has all the mechanical done, it has the body and paint done. We're going to do a little bit of interior work in it, just to dress some bits and pieces up. So body work is done on this car. The jam work now, we're just starting to tape up. The jam work will be everywhere you see here. All the seam sealer has been done down through here, just prepping these areas so that the stuff behind the chrome, the stuff behind the cover-up is all painted the proper way. It's all been prepped the proper way. All the gaps on the car will have been done the proper way. Back to even here in the trunk area, we're just taping this off now, getting it ready as well. So all the trunk is prepped. So when somebody opens up the trunk, it will look as it came out of the factory in '66. So really nice looking car. It's going to be a lot of fun for the couple that own this. And we're hoping to get this into paint next week. We were hoping to get it into jam paint today, but we've just got such a load up at the paint booth that it's kind of in line. And if it gets there this afternoon, great. If not, it'll be early next week. So let's go over this way and we can show you, we're just doing, Sean's working final on the doors themselves while he's waiting to get into the booth. Just putting a little bit more prep time in them. So you can see the amount of effort we take in doing these things. These normally have, crud all built up on them, everything's kind of crunchy looking, but Sean's gone through, knocked it all down to raw metal, made sure that these are perfect. No rust, no holes, nothing. All the way through. So he'll take this next and he'll prime this area and then get those ready to jam as well. Same thing's already been done on the hood and the trunk and so on. And the other door, I'll just show you how that's been done as well. So where Sean came from raw metal there, this one's already been, we've got our fill in here, the fast flow fill, and then it's all been primed. So everything's looking really good. Next stage on this one will be paint. So keep watching this one.